Now lights, I didn't check because I didn't hook my.
Well, yeah, we should probably check lights. Well, good morning, YouTube. How you doing? I'm out here with my buddy Tom. Tom. Hi, Tom.
Hi.
Hi, Tom. Now we're out here hooking up a trailer, as you can see, and we've got it hooked to the tetanus truck, which you need tetanus shots to get near it. But yeah, well, let me turn the lights on and check it. Make sure that what we got, we should have.
I mean, I've been taking it for a week now, and it seems like it's made a little bit of a...
How's that? Running lights? No? Wait, we got flashers back there?
Got flashers?
We do?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let's see. Brake lights? Okay. And the running lights are the only thing we do not have. Damn it. Hold on, let me wiggle that plug, Tom. Let's give this one.
There they are.
There they are? Okay. It's probably my plug.
No, it's the end of that plug. You got to pull it out as far as you can, and then it makes connection for some reason instead of all the way in.
Are they going on and off?
No, they're on.
Okay. They're on. Okay.
Oh,
That's
good.
good.
You're golden.
I'm golden. Look at that. Oh, look at that lights, huh? All right. We are golden. All right. We are on. Well, Tom's not going. He's going to enjoy himself. I worked all night, and I'm going to turn around and drive 300 miles to go pick up the new project, which you probably noticed by the thumbnail, but I'm going to make it a surprise in the video at least. And so come on for a ride and see what this whole deal is going to turn into. And we ought to call it the COVID Zephyr. They had to wait for this stuff to kind of settle down. What is that, 275 on the back or a 235? Oh, 255?
Yeah, 250.
Oh, okay.
And I rolled a little bit of the lips just because
Oh,
they need to be rolled a little bit.
yeah. I'm going to probably end up putting a 275 or a 10.5 on it anyway, so.
And the rear is 60, front are 50.
Oh, okay.
I did not get the lugs with them, so these are just regular, shouldered lugs.
Yeah.
With the flat wash.
Well, that's all going to come apart. It's just to roll it back and forth now.
I remember the 9-inch housing that's in the back of the
Oh,
truck.
cool. Yeah, you know what? I kind of forgot to tell you about it, but I kind of figured you'd
I
remember.
went through my mental check. It was dark last night, and I'm like, oh shit, I gotta go grab that freaking.
Man, it's like almost shag carpeting in this
You
thing.
like that?
Yeah.
It's like
I'm going to leave it.
burn from the freaking Arizona heat.
Is that where this thing came from? Was Arizona?
Yeah. Yeah. In fact, the title's still in Arizona. It was signed by Plimpton. I believe.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even think Mark put it in his name, and then I didn't.
Yeah, because Mark posted something last night when I put it on that Fairmont site, because somebody said it was Fairmont Zephyr Friday.
Yeah.
And I posted, he goes, I had one just like that. I says, yeah. I says, this is yours.
You see that Falcon that Mark Brown's got then? That
No.
Green straight axle Falcon?
Oh, really?
He got that from me.
Oh, really?
61 Falcon, yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, what's it been? Like 3 months, 4 months, 3 months?
Yeah, I don't even remember
Some?
when it was spoke for. You tell me.
Man, you know what? I don't even remember, dude, to be honest with you.
I want to say like January, February.
I think so, because I remember I sent you the deposit around then, and then I figured, like a couple weeks we're going to take a ride, and then,
And then that cold again.
yeah. Yep, the next project right here. Solid. There's nice. It's not perfect, but you just want a solid Fox body platform, and that's what we got. So somebody peeled the vinyl off, kind of made a mess of that. Other than that, car's nice. It's a 4-lugger that is going to get changed. I got a 9-inch housing for it. Be changing some stuff on it, and probably end up converting the front over to a 5-lug. But if anybody got any 6.0 aluminum block LS stuff, I'm looking. Hit me up in the comments. Looking for complete motors. I'm not looking for parts. I want to get a complete engine. But yeah, here we go. Another project. Yeah, we're gonna hit the road and try to beat the rain. I'll shoot some more time lapse on the way home if it starts raining. Some beautiful country up here in northern Wisconsin. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. Hey guys, I got our new toy home. We're gonna call it, my buddy Mike came up with the name. We're gonna call it Gub'ment Cheese. Here's Gub'ment Cheese. So I've got the taillights. Those are in a box inside the car. One was loose, one had fallen out. So he got he had two good ones, but he wanted to make sure they didn't fall out. So he took them out. So if anybody asks about the taillights. Okay, this is the car. I mean, it's pretty sweet. I'm real happy with it. We drove way far up in the northern Wisconsin to pick it up.
Show them the cheesy interior.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's not that cheesy. My wife doesn't. My wife doesn't like the color of the interior.
It looks like government cheese.
She thinks it looks like government cheese, but I like it. It's a Ford. It's a Ford color. But yeah, this is going to be our new project. It's a pretty solid piece, which is nice. Nice platform. Arizona car. Yeah, Arizona car. It's got the stock rear end in it. And it was a 302 car though. I mean, it was a factory 302 car. You can see the beautiful interior. But as you see there, there's part of the roll bar kit that came with it, and Viking shocks for the. I'll show you in the trunk here in a second. The Viking kit that goes along with, hold on to your hats, people, the AJE tubular K-member and control arms. So yeah, we got that. We got a 12 point Molly cage. All I got to do is just put some bubble gum on it and stick it in the car, and we'll be good to go. This is going to be a project that we're going to do in-house. It's going to be a learning experience. But it's something that we've always wanted to do, and you know what? And this is going to be the car we're going to do it on. We're going to do our own roll bar, do the front suspension, do everything else that we need to do. This will be an LS turbo car. At least that's the plan, unless somebody comes across with something else that is affordable. This will be an affordable, you know, I hate using the word junkyard build, but it will be kind of a junkyard build. And affordable, I guess, has become junkyard. But that's kind of what it's going to be. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do with it. Car had a vinyl top. Looks like somebody peeled it. No big deal. We can repair. We'll get rid of this, see what's underneath here, and
yeah, somebody took the ugly slices of cheese off.
yeah, ugly slices of cheese have been removed from the roof. And then yeah, we'll try to make this thing pretty decent, make it a nice little street car, and hopefully, you know, I'm not going to put my bread in front of my basket, so and say that it's going to be fast, but I don't think it's going to be slow. So we'll leave it at that. So follow along. It's probably going to be a little bit before we get started on it, but we had to get it, and we had to get it home. So hey, thanks guys, I appreciate everybody watching, and follow along with this build. It should be fun, and hopefully funny. You know, a couple knuckleheads building the hot rod, so you know. So anyway, so hey, like, share, and subscribe, please. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't, well, yeah, don't, you know. But yeah, if you like what I'm doing and you like watching an old guy fumble around and try to get stuff done, you know what, follow along. You know, it should be kind of cool. And hey, you know what, we always got our dog here to entertain, right? Right, buddy? Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, you like government cheese? What do you think? You want government cheese? Yeah, he's always, you want to go for a ride? No, see, he gets that look. He wants to go for a ride. So, okay, guys, you have a good one, and you know what? Hope everybody's having a safe Memorial Day weekend, and remember why we're having this weekend, because many soldiers fought and died for our country and our freedom to do what we want. So remember that. Okay, let's go drag racing. Talk to you later.